Ooh. Oh, be careful. Hey guys, this is Lynn, and I rescued this bird. This bird is a sweetheart. It's a camera. It's a camera. Do you have to poo poo again? Yeah. Oh, it's hiding from the camera. You can't hide from the camera. Here.
Careful.
We have to move it back here so I can film it. I don't want to film its butthole. This is a little blanket I made for it. We named it Tweety.
Did you film the front? You're filming its butt.
I'm filming the butt.
Oh, do you even have it recording?
Yeah, it's recording. Oh, sorry.
Be careful.
Sorry.
Fix this leg, Lily.
No, you have to grab the leg, I think. I think it wants to get off of the thing.
Don't walk on the newspaper. Have anything to grip on.
Okay, just let me gently. Ooh.
Brianna, you filming the toilet paper?
It's like really shivering, and I don't know what's happening to it.
I don't want to walk.
Oh my god! I think it peed again. I mean, it pooped and peed.
Alright, we'll clean it up.
It pooped and peed. Also, the
Be careful! I'm not gonna step on it.
Guys, my baby's attempting to walk.
And you catch it pooping it.
I thought I caught it pooping on the last video, so. But my baby's attempting to walk.
She did a little bit, didn't she?
I think she wants to look at the newspaper article. By the way, I made this box myself. And a little help from the newspaper people. I found this little bird on the ground. That's her nest that came with her. I found her on the ground and I had to take her in. Now she's my little baby and she's been pooping. That's her little toilet, but she's been pooping a lot. We feed her worms too. She's been pooping a lot. And she pooped on me. And so what happened was, see, the bird is warm too. By the way, her name's Cheapy?
No, it's not. Tweety.
Tweety. I'm so sorry. But, yeah, we found out it was a girl. We had to look it up. And I've been pooped on once. My mom's been pooped on several. I fed her a couple worms. My mom feeds her worms sometimes. But I feed her sometimes. And so, it's a little chirp. Cheapy. I like to call her Tweedles sometimes. She's so cute. Oh my god. Live action. So me, mom, and my sister are officially mothers. My mom was already a mom, but now she's a bird mom. I can't tell if it's... Are you tired?
She was trying to walk.
Well, you need to turn around. You need to control your claws. Oh, I think she's stuck. She might be stuck.
No, she's not stuck. She got unstuck.
I think she's trying to make her way to the toilet. But she looks like she's... Oh, God. She's trying to rip... She's trying to read the article. God. Little chippy. Little Tweety bird. She does tweet a lot, actually.
Sound like a cricket.
Yeah. We should name her Cricket instead, but I like Tweety.
I'm not very strong yet.
Hi.
Alright.
I'm recording my baby's first steps. Like Mom didn't do.
Oh my god, you didn't have a video camera when you start walking. And it took forever to walk. You would just scoot around on your knees all the time. Like this.
Little Cheapy. Little Cheapy. Little Cheapy, can you even read yet? Can you even read yet, Cheapy? Or Tweety. I keep forgetting your name now. Because you keep suggesting more names. I think she's trying to get to the toilet. She's made it. She's made it from there to there. She's made a good distance. Well, now her butthole's being covered, so if she poops, I won't even know it.
Yeah, turn her back around.
Okay. She wants to fly in.
Yeah, she's trying to fly earlier.
Okay, I gotta do it with the other hand.
Just kind of nudge her.
It tickles. It tickles. No, JB. No. Tweedles. Tweedles.
Don't pick her up like that. Give me that thing.
Okay.
I'm recording.
Yeah. No. You have to let go. You have to let go.
Okay, this fixing shut off.